Hey guys, it's Tristan from Clothing and Shoes 101, and today I am coming to you with a what sold this weekend video. And so it's all stuff that sold between Friday and Monday afternoon. So there's like, I don't know how many things, 15 maybe? I don't remember exactly how much each thing cost me and exactly how much each thing sold for, but I'll try to like approximate for you. And I'll put everything down in the description box below for like exactly what it sold for. I don't have my receipt, so I don't know what I got it for, but I can guess. A lot of the stuff actually was stuff that like I literally just bought this weekend. Like I went sourcing on Saturday, bought on Saturday, listed on Saturday, sold on Saturday or Sunday. So those things I actually remember what I paid for. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this one I bought last week, so this one was on there for like probably a little bit less than a week. It's a North Face men's size extra large fleece, and this sold for around 23 bucks. This is a Christian Dior vintage track jacket. It's velour and it's got like the nice little details up here. It zips down. This is the Christian Dior tag, size large men's. And this sold for $40. This I just purchased on Saturday. And that was, how much did I pay for that? For this I paid, it was $5.99 and half off, so around $3. This I got from my Goodwill bins like a long time ago. It is Coda, which is, I forget if it's Anthropologie or Urban Outfitters. I think it's Urban Outfitters men's shirt. It's a size large and it sold for a little bit less than $10, I think, maybe like $9.99. This has been on there for longer than I expected. This was a Tasso Elba 100% fine cashmere men's size extra large black. You might not be able to see it that well since it's black on black, but it is a black cashmere 1/4 button collared shirt. It's really nice and there's no holes in it. My Goodwill sweaters are $5.99 and this was half off when I did get it. I remember because I was like, why is this half off? And so it was around $3. This was also $3. I bought this on Saturday and it already sold. It is an Ivory Ella woman's size extra large tie-dye shirt. If you ever see this little elephant, it sells really well, so that is Ivory Ella. And I believe I paid $3 for that. Oh, and it sold for, how much did my Ivory Ella sell for? $17.99? $19.99? One of those. This sold for $22.99. Neiman Marcus size medium 100% cashmere shirt, and it's got all these pretty little like tweed-like details, little frillies on the collar and on like all the hems and stuff. And I really like this. This has been sitting for a while too. I don't remember at all how much I paid for this, probably about $3. But I've been waiting for this to sell because I love this. I think it's so cute. This I bought this weekend and sold this weekend. I bought it for $2.99 at the Salvation Army. It's a size extra small, Elegant Collection, LuLaRoe. I sold this for around $30. It's an Irma. Gotta love an Irma. Okay, this one I was surprised by because I love selling Free People and We the Free and Anthropologie, so I pick them up a lot, even though sometimes they tend to sit, like it depends, it's a hit or miss with that kind of stuff. And this one I picked up, it's a We the Free size large, over the weekend on Saturday at Salvation Army, $2.99, and it sold, so I put it up for $17.99, and all of a sudden it had like 8 watchers on it immediately. So then I changed the price up to $22.99 and then it sold right away. So it sold for $22.99, literally so fast. This is a J. Jill Wherever collection, size medium, women's dress, and this sold for $22.99, $23.99. These are my first pair of pants. They're new with tags from, this is a Marshall's tag, Larry Levine pants. I didn't get them for the name brand, they're size 4. They are little capris. I got them for the print. So it's like this really nice tartan print that I'm totally in love with right now. And everybody else in the world is too. So I got them so that I could put the word tartan in the listing. These are little Victoria's Secret pink capris that's extra small. And these I bought and I wore these for a while and I just was ready to sell them. So I did, and they sold for $25 immediately. These I bought this weekend and I sold this weekend. They are Nike, the camo leggings. They are a size medium, I believe. And they say just do it on the back, and you're supposed to like fold over this little waistband, and they are super cute. I think I said they sold for 20 bucks immediately. Bought and sold this weekend. So I love when that happens because it's like a super fast flip. I don't have that much space in my house to store the things that I buy. So a lot of the time I tend to price low and sell fast. That way I can keep things moving because I really like going shopping and like picking up new inventory. So yeah, I just like that method better. I hope to get more storage, but as of right now, that's the way things work. Shoes. So I got these LL Bean snow boots. I sold these for $12.99. This is a Patricia Nash. Yeah, Patricia Nash little wristlet. This sold for $27 immediately. These are Merrells. They are the barefoot Merrells, and these actually, like, I priced them kind of high because I only put like one little picture on and I wanted to clean them up and then take more pictures, so I kind of priced them high so that they didn't move fast, and then they sold. So they sold for 50 bucks, but made a good profit on them. So that's all my stuff that sold this weekend. My store is Clothing and Shoes 101 on eBay. Go search me up. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of these videos. I normally do thrift hauls. This is my first time doing a what sold this weekend. But I kind of like it because these are my favorite videos to actually watch on YouTube. So I'd be down to make more if you guys want to see more. So let me know. Bye, guys.